Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today, you guys might recognize this sled if you've watched any of my videos, and if you haven't, go watch them. But this is the sled that was in the back of my truck that I got in the accident in, and you can see it looks a lot better than it did when we started on it. And I've done a few things since the last time you guys saw it. I put the front bumper on, and I put this piece on so that the hood is bolted on. So I have a working hood, which I haven't had since this sled was new to me. So that is new. And then also we got some more bend out of the tunnel, but you can see, if you look right here, and you can't really see it real well on camera, but the track is pushed this way. And I looked and looked and looked and looked and looked and looked, and I'm just blind. And it took me forever to figure out, but if you run a straight edge along the tunnel here, it's really not too bad. It's fairly straight. So I was trying to figure out what the heck was bent. I looked all over, everywhere, and if you stick the straight edge right here, you can see there's a huge bubble in the tunnel right here. And if you go to the other side, just stick it right there again. Well, it doesn't. That side doesn't fit. This side fits. You can see, you can't see it as much, but there is a little bit of a bubble on this side. So what happened is the track shifted this way, or the body shifted this way. Either way, what we're gonna do is our best to bend it back. You can kind of see that bracket is tilted. So I got a plan, and it involves all these bolts, and it's gonna be fantastic. And also we have a new nose cone to put on it, which I also haven't had since I had this sled brand new. I mean, I had like half of one, and then I had some license plates all rigged up, but now we're gonna have an actual nose cone, hopefully, which is gonna be super awesome. I have some more parts that go in there that are plastic and stuff, and there's a heat shield that goes over there that I have as well. So this video is gonna be hopefully getting this sled ready for winter, because we were supposed to get snow this week, and thank goodness we didn't, because I would have ridden it how it is, and I really shouldn't do that. So stay tuned. All right, guys, you saw that big mess. So I got a bunch of the bend out when I had it all strapped up and everything like that. And then I got more of the bend out when I used the Porta Power under here. And you'll notice I took this thing off. And the reason for that, this is an aftermarket running board. It's all fancy and aluminum and stuff. So if we put this kind of back about where it goes so that it's touching at the front like it was, and it's touching at the back like it was, you see how you can see all those rivet holes? And then it touches. It's got a big, huge arc in it. And this is the plate right here that has that mount. And that's what pushes everything over. And you can see I'm not even close to... These are the holes those rivets go in. And you can see I'm not even close. So this guy has got to get bent somehow in order to go back on. But that's what was holding it away. So what I'm going to do is, without this thing on, I'm going to bolt the track up and we're going to see how far off we are. I have a feeling we're going to be a heck of a lot closer, especially now that most of the bend is gone. Once you don't have this running board on here, you can pretty much bend this by hand. I left this side on because the running board, I don't know if you can see, is pretty straight. Or it looked pretty straight. The bend was in this guy right here. So when I Porta Powered from this corner to the end of this, it straightened it out. I can put the straight edge on it, and it's, I mean, it's not perfect, but it's pretty darn close. So this one over here, we can look down at, there's still quite a bit of bends and such in the tunnel, but it's for the most part back where it's supposed to be, which that's kind of all we're looking for, is close. It doesn't need to be perfect. I just don't want it to be broken. So, yeah.
I'm about to go off like a weapon. Fuel to the top, got a filled up engine. In my thoughts, obsession. I will not stop, no, I'm never second guessing. I got a God complex. Haters love to hate, but I never feel pressed. Got a lot on my plate, but I never get stressed. I'll take all the pressure like I'm acing this test. Tear it up like I'm Jason. I see the world like it's ready for the taking. I see this place like a game I'm playing. Straight to the bank to collect my payments. No negotiations, it's my way, I was born impatient. And like a damn Freemason, I'll run this nation. They call me a god. 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 I don't know how to stop. I just go till I drop. Whether it's working or shots, give it all that I got. You can watch me work in my element. Anyone in the way is irrelevant. You wanna cross me, cool, not intelligent, cause I don't forget shit like an elephant. Go ahead and tempt me, put it on the line and you'll come up empty. If I got time, I'm deadly. Never caught off guard, no, I'm always ready. I got a hand real steady. Look me in the eye and you'll see no hezzy. About to get real messy. I'll put you in a grave 6 feet like Kenny.
Alright, so we got the rear bumper back on. We got the mud flap on. We got it fairly straight. I mean, you can see it's just a little bit off, but it's not too bad. My only main concern now is this is like completely cracked, and this is a structural thing, but it's aluminum, and I don't have a way to weld aluminum. I have a way to braze it, so that's what I'm going to do. It's probably not going to hold up. It's probably going to break. We'll see. But as you can see, the nose cone is on. I put a different side panel on so that that's not broken. And all of the other things that you guys saw. I've got oil leaking out of this left side jug down where the head, or where the jug meets the block. So I'm gonna do a top end gasket kit on it and also inspect all the pistons and everything while I'm in there, and that's gonna be a separate video. So stay tuned if you want to see that. Other than that, thanks for watching.